Yeah, mad turnout for the meetup. We got a beautiful view of the cars as we eat the breakfast. It's a nice variety of cars pulled up today. What's up guys and welcome back. Good morning. Day 3. We're all saying good morning back there. We're headed out now. No one's awake. We were supposed to leave at 7 or assemble by 7. We're the first ones out, so we're gonna go take advantage of the breakfast that we have, which we've been missing out on for the last 3 days. So yeah, we're gonna breakfast meet, but we're gonna have breakfast right now, pre-breakfast. Let's see if everyone wakes up in time because we're a little behind on schedule. A little more than little.
So everyone's supposed to meet at 7, but it's like 8:30 right now. All the cars are getting loaded and packed, and here are all the people waiting eagerly to see all the cars out on the road. So yeah, it's going to be a fun drive. Everyone's driving together. It's going to be a good time at Markaiz.
So the guys are at Marriott. They got our cars cleaned yesterday, so that car was filthy, probably the filthiest one out of the whole group, but luckily the boys here hooked it up. We're out here getting all the cars warmed up. GTR obviously takes 15 minutes to warm up. Boys are ready? Let's go. Markaiz, what should we expect today?
Drifts in the Alhad.
Let's go. Here's the man himself, me.
Hey boys.
What should we expect today?
Expect some fun, some good friends, and a lot of enthusiasts coming to join us.
All these people waiting for us outside. What do you think, Emily? The people showed up.
Everyone showed up.
People showed up just to check us out. Let's go. So we're just all lining up to leave right now. We got the RS6, we got the GTR, we got Mom and then the RS5. We had Kushru in the 911, but he's not up yet. So yeah, we're just about to leave. Got all the cars. We got Varun in the M5. We got Rishi in the back with the G-Wagon as well. And he pulled up. And of course the GTR is gonna lead the way. So yeah, let's go. See Imran's car up there struggling to make it over these speed bumps, but he still cleared it. Sucks having a low car over here in this country with all these bumps and unleveled roads.
So we just got done fueling up. Everyone's ready to go. Markaiz ready to go. Breakfast time. Crowd full of.
was talking about. So beautifully done. Got some nice Boston wheels, some nice suspension. Looks so good.
So here we are 5 minutes later, we are entering Lonavala now. But the rain clouds are showing up and it's not a good sign, but hopefully they're just moving clouds and they clear out soon enough. Change the mode to ultimate. We were driving on economy all this while.
All these balloons on valley mode, man.
Valley mode.
So we just got to Lonavala. We're just pulling into the venue in a bit. Sunday morning, there's traffic in the market. Interesting drive here on the way. Everyone got a little some round driving his edge, letting everyone know he's here. So anyways, about to pull up to the venue. Let's see how it goes. We got a bunch of dudes back there. Old squad.
So we are currently walking to Markaiz now because the whole traffic jam outside the venue. Look at the lineup of cars, everyone wanting to enter the venue.
Damn, mad turnout for the meetup. Bunch of cars here. This guy doesn't even have a number plate. Crazy. A lot of boys pulling up. We have to go the wrong way to make way for the meet. Got to the venue, bad turnout. Everyone always comes out to support us, so it's pretty cool. Nice seeing all these people show up. So yeah, gonna be a fun time. Hopefully the rain god are fair to us, rain gods. The lineup here, man, it's crazy. So many people pulled up for the event. Gonna hop in the Bentley. Bishop just pulled up in the M3 E46 convertible. And my buddy owns Bentley there. G-Wagon pulling in. Out here, everyone's having their breakfast. Beautiful. Hi, Ali. What's up? Sick place, bro. Sick place. Sick place. Jimmy, what do you think about the spot?
The spot is amazing.
It's not Bayview, it's called Hillview.
Got a beautiful view of the cars as we eat the breakfast. It's a nice variety of cars pulled up today. Thanks to everyone who came out. Got some mutton keema, some bao, some chicken sausage, some hash browns. How's the breakfast, boys? Vic and his boy got me a nice present from Singapore. S for Santosh.
After a very hectic few days. Let's go. Right now on the way with Khushru. Finally back to Bombay, and the map saying 1 hour 53 minutes. So let's see how long it will take to get there. So weather report. Too good, right?
Report is A grade, bro. I haven't seen that.
Like slightly foggy, and it's like 25 degrees.
And the main thing is it's not hot.
Huh? Not?
The main thing is it's not hot.
Not
Something
hot,
we
yeah.
always prefer.
So that was a fantastic turnout. Thanks to everyone who showed up. We had a wonderful time. The breakfast was so good. Shout out to the staff at Markaiz. They were really helpful, and the food was sufficient. Everything was well. Everyone was happy. Guys, please come down and try the fudge as well. Obviously, they're known for their fudge, Cooper fudge. Very famous in Lonavala. And the hot chocolate was so good. So yeah, fantabulous weekend staycation in Pune. And now the meetup on the way back home to Mumbai. Everything worked out well. Just gonna drive home safe and smooth. And thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below, and I'll see you guys soon.